I'm Jim Pulaski. I'm a family nurse practitioner. I'm the owner and operator of Revitalize Health and Wellness. Revitalize Health and Wellness is something that I've been wanting to do for a few years, launched in 2024, and I've been in the Janesville area since. So what I do is a lot of affordable healthcare for more hormone optimization, weight loss management, realistic lab panel evaluation for patients. I don't take insurance at the clinic, which offers more potential to treat more patients, but a lot of our services are less than most deductibles. I have been in healthcare since 2012. I have ranged anywhere from general surgery all the way to currently rotating through urgent care and ERs. Saw firsthand what healthcare looks like in the emergent phase and where we have missed the ball on a lot of preventative medicine. So taking a step back, that was the whole goal of Revitalize Health and Wellness, was to get to the root cause of a lot of these illnesses before they turn into something that takes you into the ER at 3 a.m. The main services that I look for are more hormone optimization. So a lot of times when we optimize the hormones, we help push off some of those chronic ailments, but also just realign the whole body. The whole function of Revitalize Health and Wellness is getting back to the root cause of the problem. So identifying hormones starts with doing a full lab comprehensive panel on patients. Some of these labs they want to get from their primary, but they can't. Insurance can't cover it, or it is a very extreme deductible cost for them. So I do a full thyroid check. I'm checking vitamin D, I'm checking B12, I do lipid panels, basic chemistry panels, looking at liver function, electrolytes, checking the whole person. Because if I identify a cause that's outside of one of my service lines, I'm going to be the first one to tell them, I appreciate you coming in. However, I can get this covered by your insurance. Let's get you back in with your primary. Here's the labs. Here are the talking points I want you to bring up to help open up those doors. New service line at the end of 2025 was an Express Care program. So with the Express Care right now functioning a lot with my current patients, but it's open to the community. So the goal with Express Care, minor illnesses, injuries, things that are very high level that we can do through a telehealth platform or even having you come into the clinic. I offer those services for $39 for the visit, and then you just pay for the labs or if we need medication sent to your local pharmacy. So it just opened the avenue a lot for patients, because what I hear a lot is I can't get in with my primary, but I need X, Y, and Z refilled. Okay, I'm happy to do that. I'm still a family med provider in the state. I'm happy to cover that for you. Depending on the service line, right? So the Express Care, it's open for all age demographics. For hormone optimization, a lot of these clients are ranging anywhere from 30 to 55. They're young, but they still feel that they need that little edge to help them, whether it's at work, whether it's with their home life, activities, whatever it may be. That's kind of the ideal population, but it's been shifting recently. I've been seeing more 20-year-olds coming in with their hormones, what we used to see with people in their 40s. So that target demographic has been changing over the last decade. The goal when I was creating this platform was to have affordable healthcare for everyone. A lot of service lines that are out there for current patients that are on hormone therapy, whether it's online or other service members in the area, it always seemed like an elite model. I had to have such a high discretionary fund in order to even get these services. My whole goal was about affordability. So I'm not looking for high price markets on a few patients, but if I can treat the masses, that's where the biggest benefit for the community is going to come in for. Hormone optimization should not be for just the wealthy. It is something that everybody should feel good about. My involvement in the community is I live here in the community, so it was important for me to bring something local to the community that I love. I grew up in Orfordville, Wisconsin, so just outside of the Janesville area, live in Janesville now. My kids go to the school districts, doing a lot of community involvement through the clinic, but then also outreach with some of those organizations too. Provider driven. So when you have a question, you have a concern, you have full access to me. So when you sign up for any of our service lines, whether it's the Express Care. You have access to me for 7 days following the Express Care visit if something else comes up. But especially when it comes to my members that are on hormone optimization, they know that they can get a hold of me on a weekend, on a holiday. If they have questions or concerns, they have my cell phone number and they can reach out to me directly. I pride myself on that you and I have a relationship together, and I am just as invested in your well-being as you are. If you feel good, we feel good. Reach out to us today. I'm happy to set up a free discovery call, answer any questions you have, and get you into the clinic.